Where do you carry your trauma kit? And what condition is it in? There's nothing more important than gear readiness when saving a life. Proven in Afghanistan and Iraq, the Sun's Trauma Kit is engineered for maximum durability and efficiency during trauma treatment. Only half of an inch thick and weighing just a half a pound, the Sun's Trauma Kit fits perfectly in the negative space behind most ballistic plates. Unlike other bulky medical products that take up valuable space. Most important, this kit is easily accessed if the casualty is lying down or sitting, self-aid or buddy aid, conscious or unconscious. Locate the pull tab and remove the Sun's Trauma Kit from behind the ballistic plate. A full-length ripcord opens the pressure seal kit for immediate use. Designed for quick deployment, the contents are packed around injury patterns in order of priority for care and follow all TCCC protocols. Contents are protected by a machine-sealed, heavy-duty medical-grade vinyl container and can be customized for a unit's specific needs. The Sun's Trauma Kit is also available in a low-vis size for situations where space considerations are even more critical. The Sun's Trauma Kit increases your unit's combat readiness. It is protected from damage. The fit is undetectable and comfortable to carry. Instantly accessible and lasts 2 to 3 times longer than other kits on the market. The Sun's Trauma Kit is streamlined for maximum efficiency during any operation. Depending on operational needs, 2 kits can be carried front and back. Where should you carry your trauma kit? Easily accessible and protected behind your plates. What condition? Full mission capable for saving a life. The Sun's Trauma Kit by Phokus Research. Look for the frog.